Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 476 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this beautiful $1 blush palette to try out. So this is the Amuse Cosmetics blush palette. I got this in the shade version number 1. But I got this from the ShopMissA website, and on the website they have 3 different color combinations of this. But because I got this from the ShopMissA website, this was only $1 and it's cruelty free. When I was looking at some of the reviews on this, they were all really good, really high reviews. But I did see a lot of reviews saying that this beautiful shimmer effect was just an overspray. So that's a bit of a bummer. I was thinking that this would have some nice shimmer to it, that it could actually also be a highlighter, but we'll see how it actually looks. I'm just gonna actually start out by swatching each color. I mean, they have a really nice texture, like a velvety. Wow. Those are blushes, and those swatched with so much pigment. Those look so good. And they do have shimmer in the swatches, but that could be because I did just pick up that shimmery first layer. And it did come with this little brush. But I mean, it's a little bit stiff. So in order to give this palette my best review and the most fair chance at performing its best, I'm going to use my typical brushes because I don't want to judge the product based off of a bad applicator. However, my favorite blush brush is this brush right here. It's actually like super destroyed, but it's from Wet n Wild and I get this at the Dollar Tree. So originally I thought I might use one of these as a highlighter and the rest as like a blush. But since they don't have as much shimmer as a highlighter would, I'm going to, I'm going to start out by taking just this pinky peach shade. I don't want to take too much because it is pigmented, and apply that to my cheeks. Yeah, beautiful pigment. I mean, that gives a beautiful flush of color, and it's a natural sun-kissed type shade, but it's so much of a sun-kissed shade that I almost feel like my skin looks too sun-kissed. So I want to see how it looks if I take this lighter, more beige shade and swipe that across and tone that color down a bit. I mean, you can definitely see that shine from that overspray, which, oh, it's so pretty. I love that sheen. I wish that this product kept that shimmer because that's a really pretty shimmer. Whenever I review blushes, I always apply way too much. But now on this cheek, I want to go in with this more tan shade for a blush. I don't usually try out tan shades, but maybe I should. I like that, it's funny. I feel like both cheeks look the same color. So this cheek has the pink and the beige, and then this cheek has the more bronze shade, and these two combined kind of turn into this one. So my cheeks actually look the same color. But I like the color. It looks like a really, like I said, a nice flush of color, like a natural shade of pink. And I feel like they blend out well. Now I just want to take a little bit more of this more bronzy shade and see how it works as a bronzer type, where I like to apply bronzer to the top of my forehead. And I really like this color. That looks so good. I feel like it looks very natural. Like it just goes with my skin tone, but it's such a difference. Wow, I feel like for my fair skin, this shade actually works as a really good bronzer. I love that. Okay, I found my perfect use for this palette. It's using this shade as the bronzer for like my forehead, under the jaw, on my nose, and then a mix of these two shades on the cheeks. But you know what else? These could work as eyeshadows. If you only brought this palette with you, you could totally create an eye look from this. But I'm loving how my complexion looks right now from this $1 product. I seriously am so impressed by the pigment and how easy it applies and how easy it blends out. I feel like this is a great palette for the summertime also because I feel like it gave me that perfect summertime glow. So if you're looking for a good summer palette, I recommend this one right here. Also, I didn't even call out how cute this is. Because look, it has little hearts in it. I love that. So yay, another successful $1 makeup product. I get so excited when I find great $1 makeup products. So let me know in the comments down below some of your favorite $1 makeup products that you have found. And if I haven't tried those yet, I'm definitely going to try those out in future videos. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.